Hey there, let's dive into something we all value but often overlook. Paid time off, or PTO. If you're like most professionals, you know how important work-life balance is, but still find yourself not taking enough time off. So why is that happening and how can we fix it? First off, let's talk about vacation policies. Most companies offer some form of PTO, but the policies can vary wildly. Some companies have a fixed number of days, while others offer unlimited PTO. Yep, you heard me right, unlimited. But here's the kicker. Studies show that even with unlimited PTO, employees often take less time off. Why? The concept sounds great on paper, but in reality, it creates a paradox. When there's no clear limit, people often feel guilty or unsure about taking time off. They worry about perceptions. What will the boss think? Will my colleagues see me as a slacker? This leads to a culture where people are mentally and physically burned out. So, how do we encourage employees to actually use their PTO? First, leadership needs to set an example. When managers take time off and openly discuss the benefits, it normalizes the practice. If the boss can do it, so can you. Secondly, companies should consider setting minimum PTO requirements. Instead of just offering unlimited days, enforce a policy where employees must take at least a certain number of days off each year. It sounds counterintuitive, but it works. Another key strategy is fostering a supportive work culture. Encourage open conversations about the importance of taking breaks. Point out that taking time off leads to greater productivity, creativity, and overall job satisfaction. You're not just resting, you're investing in your future performance. And hey, don't forget about mental health. PTO isn't just for lounging on a beach, it's also for mental recharge. Encourage employees to use their time off for self-care, whether it's a staycation, pursuing a hobby, or just unplugging for a bit. Lastly, technology can be a double-edged sword. While it keeps us connected, it can also make it hard to truly disconnect. Encourage a digital detox, set boundaries for work emails and calls during PTO. Trust me, the world won't end if you don't check your inbox for a few days. In summary, taking PTO isn't just a perk, it's a necessity for a healthy work-life balance. Companies need to actively promote and support time off, and employees need to feel empowered to use it without guilt. Remember, a well-rested team is a productive team. So next time you're hesitating to request those vacation days, think about the long-term benefits. Your mind, body, and productivity will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.